Before I end my speech, I would like to take a moment to greet my dear friend, Ramon Ang. A happy birthday. Birthday niya ngayon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. On behalf of the Filipino people, I thank you for your invaluable contributions to the government's efforts to forge a thriving and progressive society. Your initiatives in addressing the challenges brought by COVID-19 during the early stages of the pandemic speak well of your genuine desire to help our people. For that, I thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.